Page 40, my lord, kindly come.
I'm on 40 only.
Yes.
Tell me.
My lord, kindly see non-compliance, the FIR disclosure and laxity of investigation notice for appearance before NCW and so and so.
Where is that? You have amended the last letter dated 10/6/2025. You
Yes.
said there is a direction of the National Commission for Women. Now, this is a direction. You are a statutory authority. You
Yes.
are passing a direction under section 10(4).
10-4.
Ah. Therefore, you have not, this is not recommendatory in nature.
My lord, my humble submission is this, my lord, this is recommendatory is nature. This is, we cannot, my lord, say you add this section.
You have
That
said-
is true.
You have said that, sir. This letter itself,
But we can always monitor the investigation, my lord.
I will come to that
So far as
later.
my investigation is concerned. But
Your-
kindly
your
see their
investi-
response. Kindly see their response also.
Come to one by one everything,
Yes.
sir. So you don't agree with the contents of this letter, sir?
Only because, my lord, that part we
This is-
cannot direct for investigation, but always we can recommend for investigation. Kindly take note of it, my lord.
Recommend for what investigation?
Appropriate sections, my lord, lesser section has been given. Your lordship knows. we
Where
can-
from are you getting that power? You say that you are you will be recommending for appropriate section.
So far as the investigation is concerned, my lord, we do not have power because on the basis of the recommend, we always can recommend that. My lord, kindly see
On
the
the
power.
basis of what you will recommend, sir. You must have materials before you to recommend. You are asking. This is a direction you are passing.
Yes.
This passing of the direction of addition of section 79, 352 and section 34, 74
Yes.
is on the basis of what materials you have. You tell me.
But the entire conversation, it was there before us.
Hmm.
The letter which has been
That
given.
conversation is before everybody.
Yes.
So how do you direct when the investigation is carried on? I've got no issues, sir. Show me the provision over here that you had materials which are more than what the case diary is there, than what is available, and that is why you recommend these sections to be added. First of all, I have my doubts
My lord,
regarding this powers to be exercised.
my lord, if your lordship heard the, my lord, the conversation, your lordship will, my lord, certainly, my lord, the invoke, my lord, what are the sections which is applicable? Kindly the section which they have given. The lesser section has been given. But we are not concerned about the other sections. They are given the sections 132, 224, 354, 3. But we are not concerned about that. It relates to public servant. We are not interfering to that. We are interfering, the commission is interfering when there is a lesser section has been given, although the statute.
That the commission must have powers, sir. Then tomorrow Human Rights Commission will make a recommendation.
This is
There are thousands of commissions. They are going to make recommendation and interfere with the police investigations, sir. Court of law usually doesn't. Even a higher court of law is reluctant to interfere with a.
that is true, my lord, no doubt.
You carry on with your investigation. You require the attendance of a person.
Yes.
I will not interfere with
Yes.
that. But you will not have access to the case diary.
No, not case diary. My lord, what Supreme, we are saying case docket. My lord, kindly see.
Case docket means what? How
What
do
is
you-
case docket? The, my lord, the relevant, my lord, the, what it says, my lord, the case docket means the relevant, my lord, the documents which will be there in the case diary. The Supreme Court is saying the very recent judgment, only the statement made under 161 and 164, that should be not given to the commission. Other document regarding FIR, progress of investigation, that can always be submitted before the commission.
But if I am progress, I am not interfering. But case diary as a whole cannot.
No, we are not saying so. We are never saying so. Your lordship can record that. The statement, so far as the investigation part is concerned, 161, 164, the Supreme Court is very clear on that. But I can rely on a superior police officer of our state, ADG CID, but in connection with same proceeding, but in CWC, but this is but National Commission of the National Commission for Protection of Child. The similar situation arises. But kindly see the paragraphs. But few paragraphs I shall refer on to your lordship. Here, it was cautioned that whenever a commission is asking for attendance of a police officer, he is bound to do so.
I am not trying to demean the power of the commission.
Yes.
What I am trying to say is that each are independent of each other. You carry on with your
our investigation and summoning of
that
a person.
For that, if you require a document or the appearance, you summon him as usual.
Yes.
But what you are doing
But
over
in
here-
this order only, the Supreme Court's order,
No, that is Supreme Court's order in a different set of facts, sir.
similar,
Different set of
almost,
facts.
almost.
No, here is complete interference by the National Commission for Women over
No,
here.
regarding the amendment of section, only to that extent. But I said, this is on a basis of a
You could have gone to the court of law for doing that. How can you direct? You could. I understand. Any person can go. Today,
Yes.
public interest litigation is going on also. Huh? Uh, So courts are reluctant to advise investigating officers. We don't ask. Then from tomorrow onwards, we'll say arrest this person, arrest that person. Can we say that, sir?
No. But this was deprecated by the Honorable Supreme Court. That is the last the Supreme Court is saying in a similar situation, the judgment which
What
I'm
are
relying
the
on.
what are the case documents? What are the documents you want?
Yes, kindly see the document, page 41
Of the writ petition.
of the writ petition. FIR and all related GD entries, because your lordship will see why you have called for other GD entries. The accused in this case, who is a very influential person, on the first day of notice, he did not appear.
It's the merits of the case you are interfering, sir.
Yes, that is the reason. We need to recommend all this before the central government. That power we have. And not only central government, we can recommend it to the state government also. So the state government can act in terms of the law and place all these documents before the assembly. That the statute mandates.
The statute mandates that you do it on your investigation, sir. What you are wanting presently, see over here.
Yes.
FIR and all related
Yes.
GD entries.
No problem.
Public document, no issues regarding
Public document. Videography and photographs.
Of what? Of what? This is a vague no video and photograph of what?
Then the medical and forensic reports.
Medical what report?
Medical report, why I am telling your lordship, so far as the allegation which we got, the person is very influential. On the very first day, he has given certain certificate regarding his
then you
sickness.
So you have got to specify that of the accused.
Of the accused, of
so
course.
When have you stated that?
That is the only medical report they have. In this case, entire conversation and all, your lordship will not find any medical report. The medical report of the accused.
So you are investigating what? I'm telling you, what are you investigating to find out some truth?
Of course, my lord.
Huh?
Yes.
Truth.
Yes.
So
and not only truth, and which are the recommendation on basis of the complaint, what are the actual facts, so that we can recommend to this central government and also state government to avoid this kind of situation and to take precaution for the offense.
No, that you do. Your recommendatory power, I'm not to dispute.
Yes.
There's legislation regarding that. But you have got to specify the medical documents of
medical document of the accused. There is no other medical report.
The forensic report of what?
Forensic report of phone. What they have done in this case, I'm telling you,
report of phone has been received.
They have seized. What they have done, only the police officers' phones they have been seized. So far as the accused persons who actually committed the crime, no phone has been seized till now.
The one phone will suffice the purpose for?
Yes, that is the reason. We also want to clarify, because as a commission, we also come what are the truth in this matter, whether actually this conversation has taken place or no. That is the reason the forensic report was sought for. This is number 2. This is a public document, and in terms of the act, the public document is supposed to be given by them. Number 3, kindly see, Milord, the written direction declaring the FIR to be sensitive, because in their reply, they are saying we did not provide the FIR because it is sensitive in nature. So, your lordship will find in the judgment itself, the Youth Bar Association, it says the deputy superintendent of police, when the offense is sensitive in nature, immediately they have to give a ground for why this has not been uploaded. We want that explanation from that we can do always. 4, the copy of the magistrate communication, the communication which has been given to the magistrate regarding the DSP's the consent. These are the communication and progress of investigation. This was permissible by the Supreme Court.
Progress the FIR related, but sir, you are acting as if you are monitoring the investigation.
No, I am not monitoring the investigation. Yes,
you
not.
See your language, you control your language.
Yes, my lord.
You see over here, it is unacceptable that despite the passage of over 20 days, no forensic report. How will in how many cases? If the central agencies are to behave like this in NDPS cases, if the IOs don't come, if the courts behave harshly, will you accept that, sir? See, you have got to be have an approach as a statutory authority.
We
I've
are
got
doing so.
no issues regarding
We are doing so.
the language is very offensive. The language is you two authorities. These are federal structures.
Yes,
Sir.
yes, no doubt.
One
And
of,
this is also their duty to assist the commission.
definitely. I don't dispute that. Sir. It is also their duty to
Yes,
assist
the exactly the same way the Supreme Court has said.
the commission has been established for that only.
For that
sir.
only.
I don't dispute
Yes,
that
my lord.
position. But then the language must be in a different tone, sir. It is see forensic experts how they will behave. How will the police authority say? You tell me.
Lord, what we want is this, my lord, kindly consider one thing. Whether, because we are also, my lord, investigating the matter in terms of the
Investigate,
statute,
sir.
whether the conversation, the complaint which has been made to us, that is actual
Your
conversation
assertion,
is
sir,
genuine or not.
if the expert doesn't send anything, experts.
We are requesting to expedite it.
This is language of the request.
We are, my lord,
This is language of request. You are also a lawyer. You know how to draft, sir. Had you accepted this?
no, that is okay, my lord. That is, my lord.
That's not okay, sir.
Uh.
Public servants must have respect for the other public servants, sir. Today, if I call all the officers and try to abuse them, there's a scope. There's a scope. There's no scope.
No doubt, no doubt, my lord. No doubt.
But as a court of law, should I do that? You, sir, they will respond whatever is in their custody. Don't press. If the investigation concludes, you want everything. As usual, you understand. You do your investigation, whatever documents are there.
They are not responding to it. Some first time they are saying it's sensitive in nature, we cannot give it to you.
No, that
Kindly see the reply. Your lordship is, my lord, going through our.
whatever pages have come.
Yes, I have. They have annexed everything. My lord, kindly see their reply once. Our note down. What reply they are giving?
Pages.
As if page 34, second para, as if they are helping the accused. This is the conduct of the investigating agency. But kindly see page 34, second para. The place of occurrence was visited. 34. The complainant, duty officer and recording officer were examined. Their statement was recorded. Notice under section so and so served upon the accused again on so and so and 1/6/2020.
Here this matter tante have na. What are you wanting? Why have you come to High Court?
The present, my lord, last complaint, last communication made on the
Which is the last communication and what?
2nd of July, page
Page?
43.
522 বেজে গেল।
They have rescheduled the appearance to 14th of July 2025, my lord, at New Delhi. And this is, my lord, again, let it be stated in unambiguous terms, last third paragraph from the bottom, that no further extension shall be considered in the event of your inability to attend due to exceptional and documented law and order obligations. Either the additional SP or the SDPO must appear in person carrying all relevant documents. This notice be treated as final and binding opportunity.
Very good. What you do is this: you appear by virtual mode, and you send all the documents. Which documents you cannot send? Give an explanation.
No, my lord, only one responsible officer. We are not asking to SP to go there. One responsible officer should visit the commission. My lord, that is the mandate of the Supreme Court. My lord, your lordship kindly, my lord, hear me out. That is the mandate. They have to comply, my lord, this. One responsible officer has to go there.
No.
One responsible officer, they have to go.
With the change of the medium, sir, BNSS itself in also crimes earlier.
There, my lord, BNSS will not be applicable. Kindly turn to section 10 once. Kindly say turn to section 10.
You are a civil court.
Not only that, how the evidence has to be given. My lord, kindly see that once.
Then the evidence will start, sir. First, let them send the documents. They will send the documents. I'm not saying send the documents electronically. Virtually appear. You give the clarifications, what more you want, then fix a date, they will go.
As your lordship, please. As your lord, that also. Kindly record that. By that way, my lord, virtual means it says, my lord, kindly see. Summoning, what is our melodic right?
No, sir, right vested and exercising such right are two different modes, sir.
No, my lord, kindly hear it out. summoning and enforcing the attendance of any person from any part of India and examining him on oath.
That part will go on, sir. Let you give the
Yes,
document.
kindly clarify
You
that.
have got to prepare yourself
Yes.
also for examination.
That is the reason, what are the documents?
So you get the list of documents are there, Mr. Bhattacharjee.
My lord.
Whichever you have, you can give, and whichever you can. So a forensic expert, you have not received the report. You cannot give that, sir. You show your last requisition or information. Suppose you have got that, you take your decision whether you are going to divulge. I am not going to compel because I cannot say which investigation will go in what manner. That is also not my duty. That as a list I will decide that it should have been given or not. Because what you do for the timing, I'm not entering into the merits of the case right now.
Kindly keep the matter pending.
The matter
will be
pending. Your
matter
lordship can
will
keep
be
the matter pending.
Matter pending. It
Yes.
requires deliberation because these matters will increase, bound to increase. Uh,
My lord,
there will be conflict between the commissions, the powers of the commissions, as in fact in enforcement directorate cases is also there has
it's a
been
creature of statute, my lord. What we have elementarily learned, my lord, the statutory authority is only entitled to go in terms of the statute.
We
not
are
law.
doing in terms of the law, and kindly see their prayer.
My lord,
They are saying the
1990 Act,
case which has been registered before the NCW, the whole case should be quashed. That is their prayer.
country has traveled
That is their
35
prayer.
years from 1990. The country has traveled 35 years from 1990, my lord. So therefore, my lord, definitely, and
all
we
right.
are a progressive nation.
Special article.
All right, what you do, you ask either the SDPO, they have given you options also. It's not the SP. They have given some officer.
I will appear virtually. I will, my lord, cooperate with electronically. I'll send whatever whatever is according to us. But definitely, my lord, the basic documents definitely it will be sent across. FIR has already been sent. My lord, the insistence on this sort of a language and by the highest authority, my lord, I do not comment, my lord, because I have learned when my lord is, my lord, saying, my lord, I cannot say anything. My lord.
ঠিক আছে. For the timing, then you
14th, my lord,
all right, you deal with that. You have got nothing against the police officer, the superior police officer, I believe. You want to unearth something as a
The way the
as a-
investigation is going on, your lordship kindly consider that.
No, no.
My lord, as a citizen of this
Listen,
country,
listen,
I
yeah.
am also ashamed. The kind of language was given and the kind of investigation police is doing.
চলে আসুন, চলে আসুন।
his, my lord, exuberance proves
They should be ashamed.
more than what meets the eyes.
They should be ashamed of it.
Lord, his exuberance, my lord, of the DSG, my lord, proves that
I need not understand
না,
anything from you.
আসতে হবে আসামির হয়ে তখন বুঝবে হ্যাঁ
Kindly see this.
I will see also in many ways.
Your lordship will encouraging this kind of military.
All types I encourage, sir. All type, all petitioners application.
Let's-
You what you do is this. You go on. So far as this investigation is concerned, I'm returning these pages to you.
Yes.
You carry on with the investigation because this was not before me basically.
Oh.
This was not.
Because of the sensitive in nature, that is the reason we did not
And I
produce
don't-
it
I
for
need
your
not
lordship.
আচ্ছা, Mr. Bhattacharjee, learn aid special.
And kindly record that also. On the next occasion, if this commission sought for any for the witness, they have to go. The responsible officer.
Prior to that, I will want a hearing on the issue. I'm just
Yes,
for
yes.
the relief
Ah.
on the hearing on the issue in these circumstances
Mhm.
because two of the cases, I believe this was in public interest litigation.
Two of the cases, my lord, I will, my lord, try
Public
to persuade your lordship in my most humble way. My lord, I do not have
because this opening
anything personal against any authority.
no
The issue is, my lord,
Ah,
it's
what-
overall legal issue.
yes, legal issue.
And Supreme Court has settled this issue in 2019. The ADG CID, he was called by the Commission for Protection of Fact.
Not that one, sir. The first issue is regarding the to maintainability of.
Yes, I am ready,
Uh-huh.
Maintainability, your lordship can keep.
I am keeping that open. He will address. He will address. That is why I am much more interested in doing this matter regarding
If it on any day convenient to the court, my lord, subject to his business.
No,
policy,
nothing.
mine.
Nothing.
I am always available.
No. Both of you work. Please work on that. Update me because I am not a person having a background of read court, sir. Learning aid, advocate aid, as learning aid.
ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড না থেকে যা হচ্ছে ওই ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড থাকলে কি হতো কে জানে
কি বললাম learned special की senior special counsel ना की हो
No.
हाँ,
No, sir, I'm not appearing in that capacity.
हाँ,
I am appearing as a lawyer.
learned advocate aid appearing on behalf of
I'm
the
not appearing for the state.
petitioner submit has has advanced challenge regarding certain act and action of the National Commission for Women. To that effect, uh, he has advanced his submissions. Asked to use a moderate language, sir. If you have complaints, you make that. If they have done anything at
No.
town,
You are not complying with my direction.
if you have your issues, since you are now before me, if you have your complaints, make those
I will
complaints.
request my learned brother to go through Oryx fisheries and return.
If you
This is absolutely
if you
close
if
to
you face any misbehavior in a police station or in any police office, you complain to me. That is why I am deciding the issue, so that you can also come to me also.
But my lord, commission, your lordship has seen the commission, they can always summoning these people.
I understand.
That has been upheld by the Supreme
I
Court.
am not on the summoning part, sir.
Yes.
I am on the part when you at the ground reality. This language has come. Definitely at the ground reality, you were forced to face with harsh consequences. That is why the language has come out.
Your lordship understand.
Ah.
Your lordship understand the conscience of the case also.
And the issuing authority also.
When his police officers are being abused,
Ah,
what steps they have taken, everybody knows.
চলো now.
ask for it.
কি বললাম? আরেকবার একটু বলুন। Commission for Women, National Commission for that effect, he has advanced his submission. And also questioned the authority of the commission.
They want to quash the entire case before the commission. Kindly see the prayer, whether this is mental level.
Wait, order.
Entire case should be quashed before the commission.
Sir, wait, somebody at 5:31 I am dictating.
I'm
They have
sorry,
got-
my lord.
this has got to be uploaded also.
On Friday, he is detaining me also.
কি বললাম?
You're huge. You need it.
For the superior for the superintendent of police to appear personally.
No, this was never the direction. It said, my lord, the superior of police.
That is your contention. Do you see the prayers? No.
Whose? No, we said he can appear virtually.
I am
also.
recording his submission, sir.
It was never. The letter says, my lord, he can appear virtually. His subordinate officer can go physically. This was the, my lord, the contention of the letter.
কি বললাম? আচ্ছা, লাস্ট লাইনটা পড়ুন। Refuting the contentions advanced on behalf of the petitioner, DSJ appearing for the commission submits that the commission is authorized is under the law to carry out investigation, acting as a civil court under the relevant provisions of section 10(4).
10-4. My lord, 10
10 of the 10 দিয়ে দিই।
Act.
10 of the Act is National Commission for Women's
for Women's Act.
For Women's Act, ঠিক আছে?